Hi everyone, Cruising Conk here, ready to go on another hike. But you know, that old hat, that white hat that I've been wearing, I decided to retire it. And I went out, while I was in Boston area, up in Massachusetts, I found me a new hat. So, I'm introducing my new hat. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment, and I'd appreciate it. So, here we are at Bogan Park in Buford, Georgia. It's an easy, pretty flat, paved 1.2 mile trail. But it's a trail, so here I go. Got my hat on, gonna put my glasses on. I'm gonna go for a hike. Come along.
Hi y'all, Kevin the Cruising Conk here. Welcome to my channel. I found myself 68 and overweight, so I decided to take up hiking. Long as I was going hiking, thought I'd take my camera gear with me and videotape it so I could share it with my friends. So if you want to be my new friend, just subscribe below, ring that bell, and you'll get notified every time that I post one of my videos. So whether I'm coming or I'm going, you will get notified. So put your hat on, put your sunglasses on, and let's go for a hike. I started out close to parking area because I didn't know where the trailhead was. So let's just follow along. Now, as you know, I'm kind of speeding it up here. This is 3 times the natural speed. I'll slow it down from time to time to let you see some things, but I think you can get the idea of what this trail is like. So enjoy it. It's got a lot of trees, birdhouse. Now this trail goes around a sports complex. This sports complex has baseball fields and tennis courts, an indoor swimming pool. It's a very nice sports complex. And this trail there's actually 3 trails, or 3 sections to the trail, I should say. There's this loop, which I'm going on. And then right here, if you look up in this tree, there's a squirrel. There you go. That was the wildlife. Anyway, they got a lake here. And I'm thinking over here to the left is where the trailhead actually is. Now I checked that out after I got all done. I went to see if I could drive by that trailhead, and it was so packed because all the activity was going on in the rest of the sports complex. All the baseball fields and softball fields were being used, and all the parking spaces were taken up. But coming up here on the right, you see this sign that says number 3. That's a little trail that goes off the paved area and goes out into the woods a little bit. It comes back to this trail after a little bit. So it was kind of interesting. Might have to take that in the future, see what kind of hike it gives me. But right now, I'm scanning around, letting you see. This is really easy. I mean, this path is paved. It's good for family hikes, bicycling. You go out, walk your dog on it, as long as you pick up after them, of course. And it's a real nice, easy to go trail. Coming up here is something special. There's dinosaurs in this here woods. Yeah, I said dinosaurs. Here we come. There he is. You see him? Looky there. They put a dinosaur out here. That's just, I guess I'm gonna have to keep an eye out for the dinosaurs in other parks that are around here. See if there's any others that have some sort of dinosaur statues and whatnot. Well, here's the park rules, trail rules. Here's where that section, loop number 3, comes back into this one. It was real windy that day, so that's why they don't have too much in the way of audio from the actual trail, because it was just too windy. It wouldn't have been very good audio. But you can see some of the trees are starting to turn. You know, they're just the beginning. But you can see it. Oh, while I was looking at this color on this tree here, I happened to look up, and what do you imagine I should see? Oh yeah. Not doing no harm. In fact, he's doing good, eating all those pesky insects and whatnot. Well, let's keep going. Oh, you can see all the trees just blowing around there. Oh, look at this dog coming up. Yeah. Love my animals. It's kind of weird. Got a path going off into a subdivision so that they could have access to the park. Seen that in a couple other trails that I've taken in other parks. I guess it's a common theme in this county. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. I know it's not much. I sped it up so as to not bore you too much, but it lets you see the whole trail. I'm showing you the whole thing instead of breaking it up and just showing you what I want to show you. This way you get the full picture on what this trail is capable of. And the fact that I was able to speed it up and get all this done in less than 15 minutes kind of gives you an idea that it's not that long a trail. Now I know I said in the beginning that it was 1.2. I was taking that measurement from the All Trails app. When it was all said and done, and I looked at my All Trails app, it told me that I had done 1.5 miles. So I think I did a combination of the path 1 and path 2, and that's why I ended up with the 1.5. Here's a nice family coming up. Got their little one on a little bike, training wheels. Perfect path for that. You know, let your kids out there, get them some experience riding a bike and nice controlled environment. Like I said, this is a real nice park. Of course, when crossing the roads, you got to make sure, check traffic. Got to do things safely now. I'm not sure where this path goes off to the right here. I think that is just part of where sidewalk close to the road, because it comes down, follows this for a little bit, and then goes back to the road. So being it's a county park, I guess they decided just to use the trail instead of putting in sidewalks out by the road. Works. We're going downhill, and they got these little culverts on either side of the path with these bricks or something that was designed to slow the water down when it rains. It's amazing what they think of and how to try to control Mother Nature. Never works though. Well, here we are. We're back to where we started. I hope you were able to stay with me the whole time, and I appreciate it. We are. There's the truck in the background. Yeah.